Are you like many people out there wondering if Edmonton, Alberta, Canada is just a blue-collar city, or does it have some luxurious neighborhoods that you might want to check out if you are in the luxury property market? My name is Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate. You're going to want to check out this video where I'm going to be highlighting the top 5 neighborhoods that have luxurious estate homes. Number 1, I would say, out of all the properties in Edmonton area is Westbrook Estates. I'm here today at Westbrook Estates. It has one of the highest tax assessment in the city. On average, homes are around $3 million. We're backing onto the Derrick Golf Course, and these homes, a lot of them have been demolished and rebuilt, and they are infill, but they are infill slash mansions around 4,000 to 5,000 square feet. So if you are in the luxury home market and looking, you're going to want to possibly look into Westbrook. Number 2, Parkview, Crestwood area. These areas have a luxurious feel as well. The lots are not as big as Westbrook. However, you are right near the downtown, which everybody really likes, and you have river views in a lot of places, so it is backing onto the North Saskatchewan, a little bit different than Westbrook. Lots of people, including our beautiful Connor McDavid, call home to Parkview and Crestwood area. Number 3, Windermere or Keswick on the River area. That area is fantastic. It is basically built up like a city within a city. So Windermere, Keswick, they were built with the luxurious market in mind, and they are located in the southwest. It's got newer properties as well, and large 4,000 square foot homes to 6,000 square foot properties in that area. Number 4, Sherwood Park Golf and Country Club area. There are brand new homes being built left, right, and center around $2 million, 4,000 square feet, lots of amenities, quad garages, and on very large half an acre to 1 acre lots. And I would say number 5 is Sturgeon County. There are lots of subdivisions within Sturgeon County, which is right outside of St. Albert. Rivers Point comes to mind if you're looking at new houses. These areas are building estate-style homes. They have strong architectural standards. You're right near Sturgeon River, very, very luxurious and lots of amenities. So if you are in the market for a luxurious home, or you're looking to upsize or downsize and are currently living in the Edmonton surrounding area, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. My name is Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate. Thanks for joining me.